Good morning, my name is YueTang, an engineering student from the University of New South Wales. Our research problem is using wind turbines to increase driving range of vehicles as well as kinetic energy utilization efficiency. When the car brakes, it will immediately switch to the generator mode. That is, the electric motor at the time is equivalent to a generator, which converts kinetic energy into electric energy and stores it in the battery, and releases it where the car needs power next. This process can convert kinetic energy to reuse. Therefore, the key to increasing the driving range of a car is to recover the energy loss caused by the resistance during the driving process and convert this energy into electrical energy. We're in a world which largely depends on power. The consumption of conventional and non-renewable energy sources is very high, making up 85% of worldwide energy usage, such as oil, natural gases, and coal. Those are resources that eventually will be depleted. If the same rate is maintained, then in the near future, these sources will not be available. In this situation, we will be left with only one option of using renewable sources at the current stage to maintain the balance, which will control the use of non-renewable energy sources and at the same time use renewable energy sources. This project deals with utilizing kinetic energy of wind in fast-moving vehicles and explains the process and methodology to be followed. When a vehicle is moving at very high speed, air flows at the same speed will be generated naturally on the outside surface of the vehicle, but in the opposite direction. In this situation, kinetic energy of the air is very high. We are looking into the future of installing wind turbines in the existing car system to form a new wind energy conversion system. Our strategy is to install small wind turbines at the back of the condenser of the car to recover a portion of kinetic energy of wind passing through the condenser's crisscross valves. After the installation of wind turbines, we are planning on a bunch of experiments on the wind turbines featured cars, also comparing it with regular cars without wind turbines in the past. Our experimental data will be based on the speedometer of tested vehicles. Once the speed of the experimental vehicle stabilizes, the initial data will be recorded as the speed of the vehicle changes in motion. We take further data when the speed differences reaches 10 km per hour. Until the speed reaches 120 km per hour, we stop the experiment. We will consider most aspects of the experiment, including conducting our experiment under the sunny and windless weather, which reduces the influence of wind caused other than driving. There are three main purposes of the experiment by comparing regular cars and cars featured with wind turbines. The first one is to compare the kinetic energy changes between cars featured with wind turbines and regular cars. The second one is to compare driving range in the road test. The third one is to compare exhaust emission between those cars. We will future analysis on the feasibility of wind energy utilization by recorded data. Utilizing wind turbine to recover a portion of the kinetic energy losses of a car is of fundamental importance because firstly, the wind resources is abundant and the effectiveness of it is exponentially proportional to its velocity. Also, the result can increase driving range. Financially, it improves braking efficiency, reduces brake wear, and improves energy conservation. Thank you.